So guys, I did some stuff. Oh wait, I'm almost frozen right now. So I did some stuff. I got one more load. We have all the quests. If you didn't watch the first and the second, this is the third. I kind of just walked over here, got another load, and I'm literally frozen in place. Wait. So it's really laggy. At least for me. You guys, if you're watching this, it might be non-laggy or not laggy. Just gonna wait. We have really bad Wi-Fi, I guess. Okay, there we go. It's literally sand dunes. I'm completely gray. Oh, it's a honey storm, and this PC can't take it, I guess. This is... What is that? Is that new stuff? Wait, is there new stuff in the shop? Shop. Okay. Can't even get that gel. Oh, but that's, look how much capacity that is. I'm probably gonna, after this, I'm probably gonna play a different one. This is way too laggy. I'm gonna leave. But there's a few stuff we should do. How do I get like this? I don't know how. I don't have a mouse. No, I can't get out of this. Sheesh! 19. I don't even know what that does, but it's probably a lot. Halo Frost 10. Maybe. So it would be my Minecraft account too. Oh, wait, I don't know. I mean, how much is the next egg? I really need to know how much is in this egg. Also, if you see, if there's a royal gel. That's if you can even see my mouse. You can see my mouse, right? I'm not sure. Comment down if you can. But so over there, like on the mushroom, there's a walking stick, and then on the other big one, kind of big one, there's a royal jelly that can turn any bee into either a rare, epic, or legendary. So that's really good. 1,000? I think I'm just going for a bee. I'm just gonna go for a bee. I'm like, I'd rather have a bee than a backpack. Oh, we need that. We need that. Oh. I have a touch screen. I don't need to actually like press. There's literally a parkour code. You can just sit up here and you're not taking damage, and then you delete. So all this stuff gives you like stuff, but the bees kill it. So if you just stand up here, it'll die. And you can get all this. Oh, I got a present. Look at all this. A lot of this stuff helps with bonding with your bees. What the? How to get this much? We still have to do the parkour. Why is it raining?